Let's talk about typical set operations which we can perform using Python as programming language. When it comes to set operations, the typical set operations are nothing but union, intersection, and difference. You can recollect your high school mathematics and you should be able to understand what I'm talking about. If you want to get all unique elements from two or more sets, then we have to perform union operation. If you want to get common elements between two or more sets, then we have to perform intersection. If you want to get elements from one set but not in other set, we use difference. Python provides functions on top of set to perform these typical set operations. They are nothing but union, intersection, and difference. In traditional set operations, the difference is similar to minus. When it comes to Python, all these functions generate new sets. Let's create two sets here, S1 and S2. S1 have 1, 2, 3, 4. S2 have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I say S1 dot union of S2, it will create a new set with all unique elements from these two sets. They are nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can run this and you can see the result. If you say S1 dot intersection of S2, it will just return common elements from both the sets, which are nothing but 3, 4. If I say S1 dot difference of S2, it will return those elements which are there as part of S1 but not in S2. In this case, it will be 1, 2. Similarly, if you run S2 dot difference of S1, it will be 5, 6, 7 because 5, 6, 7 are there in S2 but not in S1. All these functions return a new set. That's why if we say S1 and S2, they will be untouched. S1 returns 1, 2, 3, 4 and S2 returns 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is about typical set operations which we can perform on top of sets using Python as programming language.